Nope. Maybe it's good we didn't hear that.
So do you want to start or do you want me to start?
Hey, you might as well start, sure.
Okay. So, hello, welcome to the Pacific Rim US Scrum. Okay. We're here tonight, me, João, Vijaya, Salim, Patrick, and Amy on the keyboard. So, let us start with, I don't know, Vijaya?
Yeah. I finished my JS registration late. Yesterday we have some comments on that one. I finished and I posted that link in the chat window. That Then I'm working on implementation of the JS registration, the resume in that model. We don't have the resume model and the controller and the migration table. I have worked on those ones, and once I'm done that, and the user and the job seeker has no relation with the resume because the resume model is not existing in the database, and then I have to update all those fields in the UI with new functions, new and create.
Don't we have a model for the user?
User have the model.
So
yeah, user model
what are we missing?
Resume.
Region?
Resume is what she means.
Resume. Oh. Currently, you don't need to implement the resume part. You just need to have it up there.
Okay.
Because we will see how it goes, because I still think we haven't defined if we're going to have one resume or multiple resumes, and that will impact on the model. So for now, you can just skip the resume part.
Okay.
Anything else?
No.
Any blocker? No blockers? Okay, so Salim.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Since yesterday, I did work on the homework form, and the grader acting. I don't know, for some reason is acting. So I don't know what's wrong with the grader. And what else I did? That's it. That's what I did since yesterday.
Do you have any blocker?
No, other than the grader. The grader just it's not working properly. I guess everybody have an issue with that.
Yeah, we're having a lot of issues with the graders.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Someone is trying to fix them. I'm not sure if someone is, or if they are just restarting, because I believe the problem was some sort of problem with the queues, and then the grader is too complex and is like built in a way that it's hard to maintain. So I don't know. We will see. Despite only the only blocker you have is the graders, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Patrick.
Okay, so I submitted a PR for branch management functions or actions, of which there are 6 actions implemented, and I've taken ownership of another action, which is agency people management, and I've also fleshed out in that particular issue the exact tasks that I'll be doing for that, so people have a better idea of what it entails. I assigned a size of 2 to it. I didn't know if you guys wanted to review that and maybe vote on it, but it seemed like a reasonable number to me. And that was it.
Okay, do you have any blocker?
I do. So, and this is a technical one, and maybe you know the answer to this in the poltergeist driver, but when we go ahead and try to delete a branch, say, there's a confirmation dialog box that pops up that you can either cancel or say okay. You know, the typical thing. And I'm having a heck of a time figuring out how to make poltergeist click the OK button for that for my cucumber scenario. Do you If you don't, don't spend a lot of time researching it, but do you know how to do that pretty quickly?
That's not Poltergeist, that's Capybara thing. You just need to find the button by the ID and click it.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to work that way. There seems to be a lot of stuff on Stack Overflow as well.
You pop up an alert box or something like a modal?
It's a confirmation box. It's an alert box. It's called confirm. There is an accept confirm feature within Capybara, but it's only for the Selenium driver. For Poltergeist, it doesn't work. So I'll keep looking for the solution. Or maybe for that test, I'll just switch to Selenium for that specific test, because I think I know how to do it in Selenium.
Poltergeist instead of the Selenium directly driver, is there any dependence?
What was the question again? Sorry.
Is there any dependency for us to keep using Poltergeist?
Not that I know of.
We can just do the test with Selenium. Okay.
I don't know enough about the difference between the two of them to comment intelligently, to be honest.
Because a Selenium driver, the thing is, the driver itself should just be the driver and should, because it connects to the browser and has more or less the browser. I believe we can leave with Selenium. Can you try to change, if you run all the tests in Selenium, do they work? Or do
I haven't
they just
tried that yet. I was trying to get it working in Poltergeist. It doesn't work in Firefox either.
If you launch it in Firefox, if you launch that specific tests with the Selenium driver, does it launch the Firefox or not?
If I run in browser mode, it opens Firefox, and it looks like it's a Selenium driver that's driving Firefox. Yeah, that's the way we've got it set up, of course, in the env file. So that's working.
Yes. Try to launch, but what I want is to do not use the browser mode. So to see if Selenium, the driver, can work without the UI.
Right. So what I'll do is I'll experiment with using Selenium driver for regular tests, not using browser, and see if I can make it work that way. So we'll learn something.
Make it work with Selenium, the headless browser. Yeah, it would be good.
Yep. So that'll be my next direction to go in. So that's it from me.
Anything else?
Nope.
Nope. Okay. So Amy. Hello. Just nod if you hear us. Amy? Oh, okay. So you've been working on employee registration, not on track to finish the sprint. Okay. No impediments other than I have less time to work and slower hours than I expected. Okay. So it's no blockers, right? I'm not sure it's something that's already implemented in HTML5. Is it? Or is something from that comes already with Rails? Didn't knew that. Yeah, better.
Oh.
Specify for text the type. It's quite strange that you have a specific HTML5 for the states in the United States because there are states in other countries, and how would HTML5 would do that. But if you know there's a command, just it's better to look into Stack Overflow. I'm not sure if anyone here knows. Does anyone know if there is what's the command to launch a drop-down with states?
Oh, there's a Rails helper for that. I know. You pass it a collection.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you pass it a collection, but you need to pass always a collection.
Yeah.
But maybe there's some sort of maybe some sort of gem that has a drop-down.
For the state specifically?
Okay, so let's see if we can. Anyone gets it? Just say something.
I thought in Rev 1 of the prototype application, you had a collection of states in some model.
Yes,
Thought
I
saw
had
something.
a collection or something. Yeah.
Just use that.
I found something called Carmen Rails. I'm not sure if this does the work. It looks like a Ruby gem. 2, more exactly. One for Carmen. Carmen. For me, I haven't done anything, so it's quite easy. I just committed, merged some requests, and that's it. Okay, so anyway, does anyone have any question? And the answer to the Are We Meeting chat this Friday is yes. I'll try tomorrow to see if I have some time. Or maybe tonight. So I'll try to create the agenda for the meeting on Agile Ventures website and see if I can start writing it up. I'd like to. I'm going to take a look into Waffle to see what we have completed and to see what we can demo to the client. Okay. But if you have anything else that you'd like to add or something, just tell me. I'll try to have everything ready by tomorrow, Scrum time, and maybe send it to the client on Friday morning. Okay. Any more questions? Anything else?
Yeah, I just remembered yesterday we were going through CSS stuff, a conflict with the syntax. So do you I think to fix that, one of us to I don't know, somehow request PR, or how do you fix that? Because there's a I mean, I have my login implemented, and then somebody also implemented the button. Instead of being specific, it just randomly added input, CSS stuff, and then affected all the pages. So it look weird now. So to fix that, do you want one of us fix it and then request a PR, or what do you want to do with that?
If the CSS is broken, we should have a bug in Waffle, and when someone pick up that bug and fix it, then it should create a PR specifically for that bug.
Okay. Sure. So
if there is a problem, just create a story on Waffle. And
okay.
if you have just the code to solve that problem with the CSS, just do a PR.
Okay.
And I will merge it.
Okay. All right. Thanks. That's it.
So anything else?
That's it.
No, that's it. Okay. Anything related with the project? You guys have any question? Anything? I've been a little bit out, so I don't know. No? Okay then. If you have any question or anything, just tell me. I'm not sure if I need to do some things before, and I'm not sure if I will be able to do some pairing today. But if you guys have any question, just let me know. I'll try to answer it on Slack. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so have a nice night.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Bye now.